Welcome! Today we're drawing a road over the hills and a few simple lines. So since I didn't start out at the bottom of the page, I gave a baseline just straight across. And our first curved line, like you can see in the picture to the left, is a gentle swoop from high to low, left to right. And now we're going to do basically the opposite of that, from the right to the left, where it's a gentle swoop coming closer together, noticing where they're converging. And then our last one, where our horizon line is, it is a gentle swoop, but I'm giving it even less because I kind of wanted the sun to be on more of a flat horizon line. And then as we build the road coming towards us, a road is parallel lines, but they're ever so gently coming wider as it comes closer to you. And my next part of the road that went over the hill and back, right, it's smaller where it's going over the top of the hill and getting a little bit bigger as it's coming to meet the hill we're on. And then our last one, looking like it's far away, we're doing that small part of the road on the horizon line and getting just a little bit bigger as we come closer. So we're giving the illusion like you're going through the little dips of the road going farther away. The far away section, I just did little dots to show the passing lines on the road, but as we come closer, making them a little bit bigger, curving them as though they're going down the center of the road. And here I'm trying to show a little bit of foreground. You can add whatever you want in the foreground, so just adding a little vegetation. Simple way to show this is what's closest to us. It's the biggest. And I'm just going to add some little spirals with some leaves for some flowers in the middle ground section here. And then far away, like on the horizon line, I'm just giving a little indication of a bumpy line for some trees in the background on both sides. And we're keeping them apart for where we're going to put our sun right on the horizon line. So our half circle of our sun and some quick little rays. I'm just going to give the line that would be the grass just a little bit of a bumpy indication to it. I'm not going to add any color to this one, just giving you the basis of the idea. You can add color if you'd like, or some signs alongside your road of where your destination is, of where you're headed to. Enjoy.